The Mattel Dream Mobile, as Hot Wheels calls it now, was actually called the Mattel Dream Car, and it was a design by Elliott Handler. Elliott Handler had applied for the patent. He drew this and applied for the patent in 1952. The Mattel Dream Mobile, as Hot Wheels calls it now, was actually called the Mattel Dream Car, and it was a design by Elliott Handler. Elliott Handler had applied for the patent. He drew this and applied for the patent in 1952. The car was released in 1953, along with the patent being granted to Elliott Handler in 1953. And it came in blue, green, yellow, black, red, and ivory. And hopefully we will get a chance to see all of those colors in the Hot Wheel car. The top was removable on the original car. By the way, it sold for $1.98 in 1953. That was a very expensive car. It'd be about $18, $19 today. But that's what it sold for back then, was $1.98. The top came off, and it was called a bubble bomber top. And I'm going to guess because of the, the B-52 bombers and all that stuff. You know, back in the early 50s, everything was space age, jet age, and, everything was, based on airplanes and going fast. So this here is the Mattel Dream Mobile, a little bit of Mattel history for you, and what this was like back in 1953. As it says here, 1945, 75 years of Mattel, but this one was done in 1953 as the Mattel Dream Car. All right. So as you can see, it is done in red enamel, has silver on the sides along with up on the top. Actually, when the original one was done, it had like stainless steel or maybe aluminum. I've never seen one in my hand, but the pictures I've seen shows to be metal over the top and on the rear quarter panels. And there's also been gold color also. This one has 5-spoke all the way around, has a nice big chrome front grille and bumper, along with gray interior. I really can't see it that well. The canopy is dark blue transparent, and the base is chrome. And there you have it, the Mattel Dream Mobile.